Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a personal injury claim with Morgan & Morgan easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start a personal injury claim with Morgan & Morgan, begin by visiting their website. Look for the Get Started button on the homepage. Click on the button to access the free case evaluation form. Fill out the form with your basic contact information. Provide details about your injury or incident. Be as specific as possible about what happened. Include information on how the injury has affected your life. Submit the form to begin the claims process. Once submitted, a representative will contact you for a consultation. During the consultation, discuss all details concerning your case. Ask questions to understand the process and what to expect. If you choose to proceed, you will then sign a retainer agreement. Morgan & Morgan will then begin gathering evidence and building your case. They will handle all communication with insurance companies on your behalf. Stay in contact with your legal team for updates on your case. If necessary, your case may go to trial for resolution. Morgan & Morgan will represent you throughout the entire process. Be prepared to provide any additional information as requested. Your focus should remain on your recovery while they handle your claim. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.